Kaseng Congress kabala job sanwat ki MLA haga election MLA arja pholai kala sa khardong satang uwe hadien ba laingot ki lapet sha ka NPP bat kawi ka jaka la shakni no ha ka NPP ka NPP kala kni ek Gambir Grey constituency haga election shiteng samoy ka balapan bana haga ni kasni sa jan ha ka ba ka kertong ka NPP ka Dr Mehtab Chandi Sangma ka badai ka koram umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma kala penliem ek TMC bat ka Congress ka balawan haga kerdan ka balai Yekani ka constituency labat da ka Congress Henry U MLA jongka ubade usaling e sangma ulari sanyo hadien bolwa job ya ka election MP natura balahap ban penlong biang ya ka election shiteng samoy. Kani ka jing job jongka NPP hakani ka constituency kala penkiyo shikilai po angot ya ka jingbon pa jongka haka ying dor bar tawan ka ba Henry U phongot ki MLA. U MLA ba marwe ka Congress menta uday satang uba Ronnie Wheeling do ubade na Maliam constituency. KNPP ka deiru ka bayalam ya kani ka sorkar MDA ka baar ka badonlang ka UDP, HSPDP, BJP but ki MLA ki bashiman.
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Kambegri have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
Of course, we are very happy as a party and would like to thank the people of Kambegri for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Kambegri that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Kambegri. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs, MDCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma in this past by-election. Thank you very much.